why division by 0 is undefined? Why division by 0 is undefined? Okay, a lot of students ask teachers these questions: why any number divided by 0 is undefined? Okay, because, and this is one of the questions many teachers find challenging to answer. Okay, because they just give random answer to that. The result is undefined, the operation cannot be performed, this cannot be done, this is impossible. Different answer actually. Okay, but I think it is time to define what division by 0 really means. Okay, yeah, from this, before I start that, so we have to understand what division really means. Okay, and that is where I'm going to start from. So division. Okay, also let me consider example like 6 divided by 2 here. Of course, 6 divided by 2, we know this to be 3, but why 3? This is just like the number of times 2 goes in 6 is 3, and the remainder must be 0. Okay, so the number of times 2 goes in 6, for you to have the remainder to be 0 is 3. All right, that is what this means. And what you are saying is just like you having 6 minus 2, this will give you 4. Okay, 4 minus 2, this is 2, then 2 minus 2, this is 0. You can see after the third, we obtain 0 as a remainder of third iteration. That is the meaning. Okay, let me consider another example. Let's say we have 12 divided by 4. Okay, let me use 12 divided by 3. This is 4. Okay, what this means is that you obtain remainder to be 0 after fourth iteration. Okay, so, and let's check that. 12 minus 3, this is 9. Then 9 minus 3, this is 6. 6 minus 3, this is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So when you count this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see we obtain 4 here as well. Okay, so now what division really means is that, okay, for 12 divided by 3, just like you are looking for the number of times 3 goes in 12 for you to have the remainder to be 0. Okay, now the example I consider here is 1 divided by 0. Okay, so when you have something like this, what are we actually looking for? What we are looking for is the number of times 0 goes in 1 for us to have the remainder to be 0, and that is what we are looking for. Okay, so let's start with that. You can see now this is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. This is the first iteration. So we consider this again. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. You can see this is crazy. So if you continue the iteration like that, you can never obtain the result to be 0. You can never obtain the remainder to be 0. So that is why 1 divided by 0 now is what? Is undefined, which is infinity. So the iteration continues. You have many iterations that you cannot even count. That is why numbers divided by 0 is what? Is infinity. Okay, so, and you can see it here now that whenever you ask that why division by 0 is undefined now, this is how we obtain. That's as simple as that. Don't forget to like, drop your comments, and subscribe. Thank you.